Okay, I got the video going. Let's see. There, that's a cap gun. Well, that's pretty good, huh?
Don't even phase her.
No, it didn't phase her at all.
And probably shoot it right off the bat.
Want to take it?
Well, you can get these out of here and I'll put some more in and I'll give it to you and stick it in her ear. See what she does.
She's a good girl.
You ready?
Yeah. Cool. Very good. Well, she handles the unexpected very well.
I'm out.
All right, cowgirl. Thanks.